Hello to all my subscribers and to my new viewers. Thank you for joining. In today's recipe, we are going to be making Skor's Rice Krispy Bars. These are some amazing toffee flavored Rice Krispy Bars that you can use for any event or even your school snacks or home treats. To begin the recipe, I am going in with some butter and I will write the entire recipe and the amounts in the description box. What I like to do is to grease my pan even on the sides that would prevent the marshmallows from sticking. Once this has melted, I am going to go in with my marshmallows. You can use a large marshmallows, but if you do that, you have to break them in half so that they break down much easier and they become marshmallow fluff much faster. Because I am using unsalted butter, I am adding a pinch of salt that pairs well with the caramel, and I can control the amount of salt in these bars. Once this has melted, I am now going to go with the flavor. I am using vanilla flavor. You don't have to use vanilla, you can use any flavor. Sometimes I even use caramel or strawberry extract. It has melted enough, and now I am going to go in with a bag of Rice Krispies. You want to fold this in until all the Rice Krispie is coated in the marshmallow fluff. Once it has gotten to this consistency, I am going in with the Skor's toffee pieces, and I found this on my baking section in my local grocery store, and this is Skor's toffee pieces by Hershey's. Sprinkle the toffee pieces in, but you want to leave some back for later, and you want to fold the toffee pieces in. Once everything has come together and you're satisfied, you want to take the stove off, and then we're now going to transfer this to a lined baking pan. Key tip to note that you want to use this mixture while it's still hot because it can firm up on you very fast. So now we're going to transfer. And while I am transferring this, please take this opportunity to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop a comment in the comment section, and that would help me to create much more content. Pour it all out in the lined baking pan, and you want to grease your spatula or your spoon with butter or even a little bit of oil so that it does not stick, and you want to begin to press. And this is where I add the rest of the toffee pieces before I continue to compress. And now I will compress this, and the toffee pieces will remain on top for presentation and that extra flavor. One trick that I do is I use my fondant smoother, grease it with some butter, and then I compress the Rice Krispie treats tight as I can. Once it has compressed to your satisfaction, you want to place it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to an hour or even longer if you wish, and then you can slice them and enjoy for school snacks, events, or even treats at your home. And here you have it, Skor's Toffee Rice Krispy treats that you can use for any event or even your school snacks or birthday parties. Thank you for joining. See you on another good day for another great recipe.